The triangular region to the south of Narmada is known as the Deccan Plateau. It is inverted triangle with its base in the north and the apex in the south. The Satpura range along with the Mahadev and Michael hills form the broad base of this triangle. The western and eastern Ghats form the margins of the Deccan Plateau. The Maharashtra Plateau is mostly made up of basalt rocks of igneous origin. The basalt layers are almost horizontal, and this gives an appearance of a step-like structure to the entire landscape. And this formation is called Deccan Trap. The Deccan Plateau is divided into first one, Satpura Mahadev Michael range. In the extreme west is the Satpura range, occupying the area between Narmada and Tapi rivers. Satpura range starts from eastern Gujarat and extends eastward for a distance of 800 kilometers. Its continuity is broken in the central part and it is known as Barhanpur Gap. The Michael range forms a divide between Narmada and Mahanadi river basins. 2. Maharashtra Plateau. The basalt rocks of this region are formed by lava. The maximum thickness of this basalt is supposed to be around 2 kilometers. The hilltops in Maharashtra Plateau area are generally flat. The eastern portion of Maharashtra Plateau is occupied by Wardha-Vainaganga basin. 3. Karnataka-Telangana Plateau. The Karnataka-Telangana Plateau is the southernmost part of the Deccan Plateau. It is a region of crystalline rocks, mainly granite and granitic gneisses, as well as metamorphic forms of some sedimentary formations. The area comprises of parts of Godavari and Krishna basins in its north and Kaveri basin in the south. We can consider these two extensive areas as separate plateau regions. In Karnataka, the plateau region is called as Maidan. The plateau is characterized by a number of low hills that separate the basins of various rivers. The Telangan Plateau is flat with a few scattered, isolated dome-shaped hills. 4. The Eastern Plateau. The first subdivision, Mahanadi Basin. The area to the south of Chota Nagpur Plateau is relatively a low-lying area. It occupies central part of the Chhattisgarh state and western part of Odisha state. Then second, Dandakaranya. The southern part of Chhattisgarh state and southwestern part of Odisha is known as Dandakaranya. The plateau is divided into two halves by the east-west flowing Indravati river. Then 3. Gaharchat Hills. These hills occupy the northwestern part of Odisha. The region is drained by rivers Brahmani and Baitarni. Then climate. Most part of the plateau of peninsular India enjoys tropical wet and dry climate. Winter and early summer are long dry periods with temperature above 18 degrees Celsius. Summer is very hot. The rainy season is from June to September. A long stretch of land situated to the south of Tropic of Cancer and east of the Western Ghats and the Cardamom Hills experiences tropical semi-arid climate. This region is a famine-prone zone with very unreliable rainfall. Then soils. Black soil is well developed, which is suitable for cotton and sugarcane. Red soils are found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka Plateau and Andhra Pradesh. Laterite soils are generally found in the Western Ghats. Then natural vegetation and animals. Tropical evergreen, tropical moist deciduous, tropical dry deciduous and thorny scrub forest are found in the region. The trees teak, sal, shisham, sandalwood, khair, harda and arjun are popular. Sandalwood has a very high commercial value. A variety of grazing animals like four-horn antelope and black buck are found here. Other important animals are tigers, dhole, sloth bear and other carnivores. The Indian giant squirrel is endangered. Then population and settlement. The Deccan is home to many languages and people. Bhil and Gond people live in the hills along the northern and the northern-eastern edges of the plateau. Marathi is the main language of the northwestern Deccan in the state of Maharashtra. Telugu is the predominant language of Andhra Pradesh and Kannada is the predominant language of Karnataka. Tamil is the main language of Tamil Nadu and Malayalam is spoken in Kerala. Hyderabad is the important center of Urdu language. The plateau region of Maharashtra has favored the growth of clustered settlements owing to its rich soils, good water supply and developed agriculture. Then economic development. Jawar, cotton, sugarcane and oilseeds are grown mostly in the Maharashtra plateau, whereas bajra is prominent in the western part of the Deccan plateau. Lakes constitute the backbone of irrigation in Bhandara. It is crucial for sugar and rice cultivation. Tanks, called kere in Kannada, are the predominant traditional method of irrigation in the central Karnataka plateau and are fed by channels branching off from streams in valleys. The outflow of one tank supplies water to the next tank. This ensures no wastage through overflow and the seepage of a tank higher up in the series would be collected in the next lower one. Then mining, manganese, coal, iron ore, limestone, copper, bauxite, silica, sand and common salt are important. Bituminous coal is found in the districts of Bhandara, Nagpur and Chandrapur. Then industry. Cotton textile industry is the largest and the oldest industry in the state. This plateau has many industries like sugar, automobiles, electronic and food processing. Karnataka is one of the main gold producing states in the country. Bengaluru and Pune have become popular hubs of the IT industry. Then transportation. This plateau region has a well-developed network of roads and railways. Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Nagpur are the important international airports of the region. Then tourism. Udagamandalam, that is Ooty of Tamil Nadu and Mahabaleshwar of Maharashtra are famous hill stations of the region. Bengaluru and Hyderabad are famous for their gardens. The historical places like Aurangabad, Bidar, Bijapur, Mysore are popular. Then natural hazards and environmental problems. The mining activities on a large scale led to the water and soil pollution. The western part of the plateau region is an earthquake-prone region.